Oh my god, can you see how excited I am?
If you can hear some cocoa melon in the background, that is actually my son, which is the only thing that he's okay with watching and will make him behave.
If we don't put that on, he'll be screaming and I will never ever get this video done. Hey guys, it's me here and I am back with another video. Today I'm actually going to do a second impression on FIGS scrubs. So if you have seen my first video, you will know that I have completely fallen in love with it.
So I ordered a mauve set, which is limited edition, and honestly within like a day it was sold out. So I'm so glad that I got it. And then a friend decided to purchase pair of scrubs for me in Ceil Blue, which is one of the core scrub colors.
Limited edition means you just produce a certain amount and once it's gone, and all you can do left is pray and wish that they bring it back.
The core scrub colors are pretty much there for good. They're always replenishing
And they'll never run out of that.
I've got the two packages in front of me. I feel like I don't need to tell you how awesome these scrubs are. They pretty much speak for themselves.
I think I've said it in my first video how obsessed I am already.
If you watch my first video, you're gonna know that I ordered the navy Catarina top in extra small and navy Zamora Jogger Pant petite extra small. So this time when I ordered the mauve, I wanted to see if maybe I will fit an extra small better and also try the regular length if it's more flattering. That way I can compare the petite versus the regular length. Because I felt like even though it was cute, there were times that when I would cross my legs while I'm sitting down, like it would ride a little too high for my ankles, and I thought there is no harm in ordering the regular, and if it doesn't fit, I can just go ahead and return, and if they run out, then I guess it's just not meant to be. So I bought myself a Catarina One Pocket Scrub top and mauve, and this is in extra small, and the Zamora Jogger Pant in mauve, extra small, regular length. It's so pretty. Ew, if you can see my baby hair, like it's going crazy. I'm sorry, Texas heat is just insane, so.
It's not gonna go away.
My friend got me a Ceil Blue Catarina top in extra small. As you can see, I have an obsession with the Catarina top. And then for pants, I got the
Yola Skinny Pants, extra small, and also I chose regular.
So, crazy. I had to try this on. So, we're gonna find out today.
Oh my god, so I have to tell you, it is just as soft as the extra small, no difference there, but I was complaining with the extra small before that it had a lot of space in the belly part, and this one is perfect. I'm glad that I finally tried the extra small. It is much more fitted and definitely much more flattering. And I have been waiting for forever to get my hands on any of the pinks or the mauve or purple colors. So for me to just be able to grab this before it's sold out, I'm so grateful. So here are my thoughts. In the extra small, I felt like there was a lot of space in the stomach. I said it was comfortable and it was okay, I wasn't mad, but this is so much more flattering. Just look at how fitted it is.
It is just as soft and comfortable as the extra small, although I'm sure if I wanted to use this as pajamas, then yes, the one that's a lot more loose is going to feel better.
But honestly, I like this. The petite, it would kind of rise up way too high for me above the ankles whenever I sat down. And with this one, it just, even putting it on, it feels just right.
So this is what it looks like if you have it. See, it doesn't go too high. With the petite, it was like all the way up here. So, I'm the regular. I know that I said in the previous video that my sizing has been all over the place, but I did stop breastfeeding and pumping, so my breasts went from double D's to deflated flat balloons. So I can fit an extra small perfectly again and feel comfortable.
I'm back to a 34A. Still 95 pounds. Height is about 5'3.5". So, yep. And now to try on the Ceil Blue.
I struggled a little bit in taking that off. I mean, yeah, it's
Skinny Scrub Pant. I like how in here it's actually not as tight as the extra small of the Zamora, so it gives you a little bit of like space to pick up, I guess, but it still fits. I tightened it a little bit with this, and yeah.
The shape of it is very flattering and pretty.
Pockets over here. You have this one pocket and then another extra one right under it. And then on the right side you have a pocket with a zipper, just like the Zamora. Really pretty. The back got the 2 pockets. And yeah.
So I think that is all that I have for you today. I wanted to go ahead and get this video done. Me and my procrastinating self would have ended up waiting like a whole year to get this uploaded. So I just told myself, you know what, no matter how bad I look today, no matter how freaking horrible this hair is, I'm just gonna get this video over with, and yeah. So
If you have any questions or comments, just type it down below. Hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you for some more.
hey guys, this is my little man.
I think this is the first time I'm showing him to you guys in a video ever since my gender reveal.
So yeah, this is so exciting. Say hi. Can you say hi?
Is he